Join me into the world of watercolor painting where we will depict the beauty of the night sky. This is the first painting in Watercolor Night Sky series. I start by wetting the paper. I wet the paper 3 times so that the paper will be wet for a long time. I'm ready with the pigments on my palette. The first pigment I'm using here is Gamboge Yellow. Apply Gamboge Yellow as shown in the video. After that, mix Gamboge Yellow with permanent orange to create light orange. After applying light orange, mix orange with Crimson Lake and apply the pigment. Next, I'm directly applying Crimson Lake pigment. After that, I mix Crimson Lake with Indigo. I'm applying that mix and trying to blend the colors. I didn't wash the brush, so Crimson Lake pigment is in the brush. When it is mixed with indigo, it creates a gray color. I'm applying indigo pigment and leaving white space for the galaxy. An important tip that I want to disclose to you is the pigment should be in thick consistency. If the pigment has too much water in it, then it won't create a dark night sky. Too much of water in the pigment and water on the paper will create a faded night sky. Coming back to the painting, after applying indigo color pigment, next I'm applying Payne's Gray. Next I try to blend the Payne's Gray with Crimson Lake. Next I blend Crimson Lake with orange, which is then followed by light orange, and then I'm applying Gamboge Yellow. Thus we have blended all the colors. Now tilt the board and allow the pigments to flow. Remove any excess pigment that is collected near the tip. The pigment flowed into the white area, so I'm picking the pigment from that area. My paper is still wet. Next, I'm adding some clouds in the galaxy. I added too much clouds to the galaxy, so I'm going to again lift some colors from that area. After lifting the colors and created the galaxy, I allowed the paper to dry completely. Next, I'm splattering acrylic white for the cluster of stars. After that, we are going to create a silhouette of couples holding hands. I'm using Payne's Gray to paint the silhouette. We reached the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more watercolor painting videos. See you in another watercolor painting process. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.